If you want to use two apps at the same time on your Android phone, you need to know how to trigger the split screen feature. It is a quick process, but the buttons can be tricky if you do not know where to look. First, open the first app you want to use. This could be YouTube, a browser, or your notes. Once it is open, go back to your home screen. Now, swipe up from the bottom of your screen and hold for a second to access your running apps view. This is your recent apps screen where you can see everything currently running in the background. Scroll through these preview windows until you find the app you want at the top of your screen. Instead of tapping the preview window itself, look at the very top of that card and tap on the app icon or the app name. A small drop-down menu will pop up right there. From this menu, select the option that says Split Screen. The moment you click this, that first app will automatically slide up and pin itself to the top half of your screen. Now, the bottom half of your screen will show your remaining recent apps. You can scroll through this list or go to your home screen to select the second app you want to run. Tap on that second app and it will fill the bottom half of your screen. You will notice a dark line or slider right in the middle separating the two windows. You can press and drag this slider up or down to adjust the size of each app window, depending on which one you need to see more of. Now, you can type a message while watching a video, or read an article while taking notes. When you want to exit split screen mode, the process is just as simple. Take that middle slider and drag it all the way to the very top or the very bottom of the screen. This action will expand one app to full screen and close the other one completely. I hope you found this simple video helpful, and I will see you in the next one.